In this video, I want to share with you how you can share your cloud conversation with your Gmail address. Maybe you have a conversation or you have a script that you want to send to someone to help you produce, and instead of you copy the whole thing you see here and send to Gmail, this is somehow cumbersome and somehow it looks somehow tricky, but you can just send a link to that particular fellow using your Gmail account, and that fellow will be able to receive everything you have here and access it at a click on their Gmail address. So all you have to do is very simple. Come to this place where you see share icon, click on it. Once you click on this share icon, you have access to these two options. One, keep private and create public link. So click on this one that says create public link. It means anyone with this link can view this chat. Now click on it. Once you click on it, then it generates this link. Then copy this link. Once you copy this link, then the fellow will be able to access the chat up to date. To the previous last statement or to the last things you've done on this chat. Now, if eventually you want to send, if the chat is continue, maybe to some extent, and you've added another upgrade to the chat, then you need to come back to this place again and regenerate this link, because if you don't generate this link covers to the point you've stopped here. Now go to your Gmail address. When you get to your Gmail address, come to this compose button, click on it. Now it brings to this interview, then click on this project here. So to me, paste the link here. You have the link here. This is good, but it's not that neat. Here is what you need to do. If I were you, this is what I do. I normally put something at the top and say, this is the projects we discussed. Then please work on it. Please work on it. Now go and type the recipient email address here. Then here you can write a project. Let me say title, then project to be completed. Now put the recipient email address, then go ahead and click on this send button. Once you send this button and the receiver has this, because you've discussed on the project at hand and this link is generated correctly, then once it receives this, just the receiver will click on this link and is going to be able to access the content on the cloud based on the last statement you generated here. So guys, just let me know if you're able to send this on your own when you send a content on the Claude AI to email address or to your son or to someone on your device. That's all guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you want to subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.